Now, in this video, I'm not going to talk too much. I'm going to take you guys right onto the chart so that I can show you this simple moving average strategy. I remember I posted a video about simple moving average before, and you guys liked that video. You watched that video, but some of you have questions concerning that strategy. So in this video, I am going to go again and show you a very simple but the best strategy that you can ever see on YouTube with moving averages. Now, moving averages is a lagging indicator, but I'm going to show you in this video how you can use it profitably to see yourself becoming a profitable trader. Guys, remember, if you're new to the channel, guys, my name is Matthew. I'm a forex trader and I show a lot of free stuff, free content on this channel. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like the video as we go on to the charts now, guys. The strategy is very simple. The moving average strategy is a very simple one. I remember I've shown you guys this in the past, and most of you guys have watched that video and you've liked the video, you've implemented the strategy. So some of you had still some questions which I'm going to try to go through in this video. I hope you guys will leave a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and also do leave your comments down below as we progress with the video. Remember to use the right broker when you're using these strategies. Go click on the link that is in the description of this video. Sign up with intraday. Intraday is a regulated broker with so many awards in their belt. Okay, let us go on to the strategy now. Okay, so that strategy is very simple. I'm using MetaTrader 4 to illustrate this because most of you guys also asked me to do this on MetaTrader 4 to show you how this strategy would work. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to come and get up here, look for trend, and then go and choose moving average. And then I want you to add a 20 period moving average, change period to 20, leave it at simple. Okay, then the color I'm going to use light blue or deep sky blue. Okay, and then I'm going to make the thickness a bit, I'll leave the thickness at the third one. Okay, click OK. So that is a 20 period simple moving average. Okay, and then I also want to add another moving average, which is a 200 period moving average. Leave this setting as they are and just change the color here. We'll use the color red. Okay, I'll click OK. So this red one is a 200 period moving average, and the light blue one is the 20 period moving average. So I remember I told you guys about this strategy, and I told you this strategy works with break of market structure. Okay, it works with break of market structure. So let me give you just an example. Okay, let me give you an example here, just randomly. Okay, or we can go back a bit further, like here, so that we can get a better entry. So you see here, this is a good example. This strategy is very simple. You want to wait for the blue 20 period moving average to be above the red 200 period moving average. That signifies that the market is trending to the upside. Then you want to look for or wait for market to break previous high, okay, which is this one. You see this area here, the market, this area here. I don't know, let me zoom in. And so that you can see this area here was the previous high. Okay, so you wait for the market to break above that previous high. Okay, once it breaks above previous high, it is also above the 20 period moving average. Don't take a trade when the market is above the 20 period moving average. Wait for the market to come back down below the 20 period moving average, but while the 200 period moving average is maintaining its position below the 20 period moving average. Now in this area here is where you're going to be looking for your trades. Okay, you can enter your trades at a bullish engulfing or bearish engulfing or any other candlestick pattern below or near the 20 period moving average. Okay, for example, like here we found that this is a bullish engulfing here. I'm going to use I'm going to use my fib tool. I remember I showed you how to make this tool to use it as a risk to reward ratio tool. So here I'm going to enter on this bullish engulfing. Let me show it to you. You see, after this, there is a bullish engulfing here. This is the bullish engulfing candle that I want to enter from. So I'll put my entry at the close of that bullish candle. My stop loss is going to be at this low here. Okay, my stop loss is going to be at this former low here. Okay, just a few pips below here. My entry line is going to be at the close of this bullish candle, and then I am going to target a 1 to 2, which is this one here. You guys can see up here. Okay, you can see up here that a 1 to 2 was achieved. Okay, that was a 1 to 2, so this was a winning trade here. Okay, so that is the way you do this strategy. Okay, let me show you just another one. Okay, so like here we had the market above, okay, above the 200, and the market crossed below the 20 period moving average. Okay, but it crossed below the 20 period moving average after no market structure has been broken. So here we have market structure creating this high. Okay, market structure creating this low. Okay, so you see that this low has been broken, that high has not yet been broken. Okay, we also have this high here. Okay, also have this high here. Now this high, this one here, is broken by this candle. Okay, so now we wait for, let me first take this out. So now after this high has been broken, wait for the market to come below the 20, which it does here. Okay, it does here, but here if you take a trade on here, you would lose on this trade, because if I enter here, put my stop loss at that low, okay, and I place my entry at that point, that candle's close, I will not get that trade right. I'll be stopped out. Okay, so you keep looking for an opportunity in that direction. So you can see here the market breaks below the 200, which is the red one, and it's also below the 20. You don't take a trade here. You wait for the market to pull up above the 20. Above the 20. It can cross above the 200, but as long as it is above the 20, okay, you look for selling opportunities there. So here you could have sold the market when the market gives us this big candle here. We can sell the market here, no problem. Sell the market here. Your stop loss above the 200 period moving average here. Okay, you're looking to enter here like this. Okay, you can see that you'd get this 1 to 2. This trade would win. Okay, so this strategy is based on you waiting for market structure to be broken, either to the upside or to the downside, and then wait for the market to pull back up above the 20 period moving average, then look for selling opportunities as long as the market is maintaining its position above the 20 period moving average, but below, okay, below the 200, or above the 200, but the 20 period moving average is below the 200. Now let me give you another example here. You can see here, market goes and breaks above the 20, breaks also above the 200, which means the market is becoming bullish. Okay, it's broken above both of them. So you're waiting for market structure break, which also happens after this. You're waiting for a market structure break, which happens here. This is a high that was broken by this. So you wait for market to pull back down below the 200. You see, below the 20. Market pulls down below the 20 and gives you 1, 2, 3 bullish candles, which is 3 white soldiers candlestick pattern. Can enter after the third soldier, stop loss below the low. Okay, and then your entry at that third soldier, right? You can see that you get your 1 to 2. Your risk toward 1 to 2 would be hit here on this line here. Okay, so this is how you trade this strategy. when there is a market, when the market breaks below the 200 and below the 20, okay, don't just take a trade. Wait for market to pull back into or above the 200, above the 20, then you can look for shorting opportunities there. Like here, you could have gotten a shorting opportunity here because you can see, let me zoom in. Let me zoom in so that you can see. After market breaks below, you wait for it to pull back up above the 200, above the 20, okay? Then wait for a bearish engulfing or any other candlestick pattern for you to enter a trade. Like here, we got this bearish engulfing, which is engulfing this bullish candle. If you enter that it's close here, okay? If you enter its close, it's your stop loss above that high, okay? You entry at that candle's close and then you target a 1 to 2 here. You'd get this trade as a win, okay? And then also, you can see if you didn't get this opportunity, you would still wait for the market. Still, since the 20 is below the 200, we are still in a downtrend. You see here, you would still get an entry here, okay? Or even here. This is a bearish engulfing. You can enter at this bearish engulfing close. Your stop loss above the 200 here, okay? And then you're looking for a 1 to 2. Let's say your entry is here and you're targeting a 1 to 2. You can see a 1 to 2 was reached here, okay? So guys, I don't want to make the video too long. Just go and backtest this strategy. I believe this strategy is going to be the best moving average strategy that you have ever seen on YouTube. Guys, I don't have time to go through every single point, but guys, this strategy is simply amazing. Let me show you now this on current market price, because some of you said I'm using past data. Can see that this was a high. This was also a high that was broken here. Market is above the 200. Market is above the 20. Wait for it to pull down below the 20. Okay, then look for candlestick formations for you to take your trade. All right, you could take your trade here after this 1 2 3 bullish candles, giving you that 3 white cross pattern. Your stop loss below the 200 and or below this low, okay, and then you'll be targeting, let's see, entry here, and then you're targeting a 1 to 2. This would also be achieved, guys. You can see that this would also be achieved. So guys, that is the strategy. I hope you guys will appreciate this. I hope this clears out all the questions you had about the strategy. If you have any further questions, drop them in the comment section. I'll be able to answer you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time, peace and out.